Hari Om friends, this is Chandra here again from KACC Kalamandiram Arts and Crafts classes. Yes. Friends, in the last class we learned to create a seascape painting with acrylic colors in polychromatic color scheme on a terracotta roti plate. It was real fun painting natural elements like a rainbow, clouds, mountains, sea waves, coconut trees, starfish, and a beach umbrella, and of course, yachts. Not to forget our main heroine, the beautiful Lady Hawker. Friends, our journey of color theory alone of 45 videos, including today's, comes to an end here. Only theory part. We will continue with our practical work, of course, with the acquired knowledge on the various color schemes bearing in mind principles of design like balance and also points on perspective views and anatomy, etc., in art. So, before moving to the next topic, let's revise the various color schemes that we have learned so far. Friends, this is a color wheel chart which we have prepared according to pigment theory. We learnt about all these 12 colors in it. We learnt about primary colors and also secondary colors and their color schemes. You may see primary red, blue, yellow, secondary being purple or violet, green and orange. Example, red plus blue gives you violet. Wow. Tertiary colors. Example, yellow plus green gives you yellow green. Quaternary colors. Example, olive green. The army soldier's uniform. A salute to this color. Friends, we learnt about important terms on tones, tonal values, tints and shades, chrome, hue and color. You may see tints and shades this side, tints creating high key and then shades creating low keys. You may see color values with tints and shades in this green umbrella, tints having higher values and shades having lower values. We learned about color keys. We made a beautiful landscape on high key and another one in low keys in watercolors. Wow! Achromatic color scheme. We painted a landscape in achromatic color scheme. So cool. No hue and no color. Only black, white and greys like classical movies and old-time marriage photographs. Starting from a thumbnail like this. We made a thumbnail first, then painted this accordingly. You may see it's vertical but beautiful. Monochromatic color scheme. We made an abstract design using tints and shades of a single color or hue. Here we have used crimson red with tints and shades. We started making a thumbnail, then proceeded further to color this abstract design in monochromatic color scheme. Warm and cool color schemes. We solved a question in intermediate drawing grade exam paper. Learn to draw and color a decorative design or subject design in a hand fan of 26 centimeters height and colored it in warm color scheme. You may see this is vertical. You can see two butterflies. Cool color scheme. We also again solved a question in intermediate drawing grade exam paper. We learnt about the rules of a subject freehand drawing, about principles of design, symmetrical and asymmetrical balance, and colored and asymmetrically balanced beautiful peacock in cool color scheme. Analogous color scheme. Through this scheme, we learnt about maintaining good relationship with people around us, and also in color scheme. We learnt Arohanam and Avarohanam of a Ragam Kalyani or Yaman played in a harmonium through this. We drew and colored an abstract flower vase in warm analogous color scheme. Following it, we also drew and colored a landscape with the swan in cool analogous color scheme. You may see this is vertical. The swan looks so beautiful, fluttering her wings. Here comes the Big Bang. We solved a question in intermediate drawing grade exam paper and learned to draw a decorative design with temple motifs and puttas and colored a sari border with a pallu. You call this pallu, sari border with a pallu in contrasting or complementary color scheme using red and green. Wow, what a design and what a sari. We solved a question in intermediate drawing grade exam paper again. Learn to draw and color an abstract design on a lady's hand purse with the mentioned dimensions using blue and orange as contrasting colors. We also solved a question in elementary drawing grade exam paper and learned to draw and color a decorative design in a table lamp of 14 centimeters length using yellow and violet as contrasts. And here is another bang. We had a jolly ride on the highway in a luxurious bus and learned to draw and color two same ditto landscapes in two different split complementary color schemes. Wow, that was fun. Then we learnt very dedicatedly an important subject of elementary and also intermediate drawing grade exams to draw and color zinnia flowers in three different triadic color schemes. And we also learned to draw many more zinnias of nature drawing. In fact, we enjoyed a whole zinnia week and learned many points related to botany. Again, based on the subject nature drawing, we learn to draw and color a beautiful peacock feather in tetradic color scheme. We honored little child artists, their artwork, and also took a special class for child artists on the subject based on the topic how to draw a peacock feather. Such cute child artists with cute artworks of free expression, so innocent yet so creative. Polychromatic color scheme. We learn to apply gesso primer, acrylic color wash on this terracotta roti plate and learn to draw a seascape with extra knowledge on anatomy in art. We learn to draw a human figure in the seascape and colored it in polychromatic color scheme. So, well friends, our journey of color theory throughout the life created painstakingly and with heart and soul to teach you along with extra informations and knowledge on other subjects like physics, botany, mathematics, anatomy, etc. etc. was really wonderful and enjoyable. In that case, must not you be more generous enough to give a like below my videos, hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel KACC Creator for its different, unique and genuine, and you know that. So, meet you all again soon with an interesting topic. Till then, Shubhadinam. तथास्तु. ॐ गं गणपतये नमः. हरिः ॐ तत्सत्.